Hi friends, welcome to Sura Agriculture Land Promoter and Developers. Now we are going to see about 7 acre of agriculture grey soil land. This agriculture grey soil land which suitable for all type of crops. The water source of this area is fantastic water source, sweet water with 200 feet water depth, which with 2.5 inch pressure. Sweet water is available. And the land just opposite of the land we have one lake is there, and backside of the land Kirdumal river is flowing. The land fully fenced, and also the backside of the land we have farmhouse with farm trees available, and also nearby many villages available. 4 side we have villages, and also this land is connected with the main tar road. Tar road side we have tar road access for this land. From tar road to main road we have only 1 furlong of the land. Okay, so the land is situated around 55 kilometers from Madurai. Now we are going to see the land. This is the land. Okay, this is a 7 acre agriculture land, 7 acre land which is fenced 4 side. 4 side it is, which is fenced 4 side, and the back side of the land you can see some teak wood is there, teak wood, coconut tree and a palm tree. So many trees and many trees available backside of the land. Some farmhouse is there, so which is the evidence is that this land is suitable for all type of crops, and the water source is highly water source area, and the soil type is grey soil which is suitable for all type of crops, and the land is situated very close to State Highways 42. Okay, State Highways 42 is very near from this land. Okay, so the land, this is the way to reach the State Highways 42. Okay, from here to you can see the electricity post over there, SH 42, State Highways 42, which is leading to Rameswaram Road. Okay, so this State Highways 42 to this land is only 1 furlong. 1 furlong is 200 meter, and this road will lead to one small village is there. Okay, this is a way access to go to the village. Okay, this is actually village tar road, and just opposite of the land you can see a lake is there. Okay, and backside of the land is Kirdumal river. The river name is Kirdumal river, is flown backside of the land, and you can see the fantastic view of the backside of the land, and you can see the cell phone tower, mobile tower is there. There is one village is there. Okay, village is there, and this side also we have one village, and back side also one village. So 4 side we have villages, means actually we can get easily the manpower from the nearest villages, and the water source is highly water source area, sweet water area, and the soil type is which is suitable for all type of crops, and access is very good access, thorough access we have, so all vehicle can reach to this land. This total area is 7 acre land, single owner. The patta already changed to the land owner, so there's no problem with the documents. So you can see the land, the complete land. So there's the fenced land. Actually you can see the land, the 4 side fenced land, the complete 7 acre land. So those who are willing to purchase the land, please contact Engineer Senthil Kumar. Phone number, my WhatsApp number is 8489761364. Please send me a text message in WhatsApp. Thank you very much.